Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we will design the line following vehicle cover in Fusion360. We will go over how will we insert the design, and we will design the cover step by step. So keep up with this tutorial. So first we start off by explaining why you should not just double click on the design to insert it. So if you do this, you will find it standing like this. That's not what we want. So we close that tab. The first thing that we will do is we will click on save. We will name our file, for example, project possible solution. Okay, great. Now save. Now when we want to insert the design, we right click on our mouse, right click, we will click the second option, which is insert into current design. As you can see here, we have inserted the design in a proper way. Now we will click escape on our keyboard in the top left corner and escape. Perfect. Now we want to design the cover. Maybe we want a rectangular cover, so we want to draw our sketch a rectangle first. Okay. We want to sketch a rectangle from the top, right? So for us to not confuse with the parts we have already, we will create an offset plane that is parallel to the XZ plane. So construct offset plane. Now we will hide our chassis so we're not confused. We'll click on that small eye there, so we will hide it. We'll choose the XZ plane, and we want it just, sorry, this is not 3 meters, I meant 3 millimeters. So again, offset plane, construct offset plane, and we will choose the XZ axis. We want it 3 millimeters away from our XZ plane. Well, as you can see, this is our plane. If we zoom out and zoom in, now we want to sketch, so we will click on sketch and we will choose our offset plane that we just created. Now we want to show the chassis again, so we can draw above it or in reference to it. So we want to draw a 2-point rectangle. For 2-point rectangle, I will start from that point at the top. I will zoom in to be accurate, and now zoom out. So this is our rectangle. We want to specify the dimensions. So as for width, it's 110 millimeters. And tap for height is 135 millimeters. Okay, perfect. So now what we want to do is we want to finish our sketch. We will go to the home view and we want to extrude it. So we will select our sketch, or first select extrude, okay, and then our sketch, and then we want to determine this y factor, or the y, which is 90 in this case. I chose to be 90. You can make it higher or lower as you prefer. So now that we made our cover, we want to modify it. We don't want to leave it in this basic shape. So for that, we will choose or click on it and right click appearance. We'll choose appearance, so the appearance will pop up. We will choose the material. You can choose metal or glass. Let's see, metals. We have aluminum, brass, nickel, platinum, silver if you want. Silver is quite interesting. Maybe we want it to be transparent, so we could choose glass, for example. So for example, if we want color dense glass, that means it's it's a very dark class, we can choose from these options, drag and drop. So this is too light, I don't like it. I will choose a black one, so a medium black class. That's perfect for me, so I like that one. Now let's suppose that I want to make fillet. I want to modify it, and I will want to make the edges softer, so I will select the edges that I want to apply the fillet to. So fillet for outside edges, it removes material, so I will select the top 4 edges. I want a fillet of 5 or 20 as you want, but for me I want 20. Now I'm done with modifying my cover, but there's one more step that I want to add to my cover, but this one will require me to download Expo logo. So we will download Expo logo, save it in our CDI folder. So let's name it Expo 2020. Expo 2020. Okay, so now save. It's downloaded as a PNG. So now we want to turn it from PNG to SVG. We will go to Google and type PNG to SVG. As you can see, we will choose online SVG image converter. It will be like this. We will click on choose files. We will upload a file from our computer, and as you can see here, we have the Expo logo that I've downloaded. Start conversion, and now it must be converted. Go up. Yep, here's the download button. We click on download. This is our SVG. We will find it in the download, but now we will insert it in the design straight away. Okay, great. So now we've downloaded our SVG file. Now we are going to insert our SVG. So insert SVG, insert from my computer, Expo 2020. We will find it in the top file at the top in our downloads section. So we use this to make it smaller or bigger. We choose where we want it to be. So now I've detected it, and enter. Okay, once we click enter, go to the home view, and as you can see, here is our Expo logo. And say we will finish the sketch, and now we want to extrude our Expo logo. In this case, we will go to the top view, zoom in, we will select this whole sketch and extrude it. Maybe I want a 1 or 2 millimeters extrude. When I extrude it, I want to make sure that the operation is new body. So the operation here is join. We wanted to make it new body. So okay, and enter. And as you can see, this is my Expo logo, but it's black because we specified it as new body. Now we can modify its appearance without affecting the whole cover appearance. So as you can see, this is it from the top. Now we will go to the top view because we want to modify the appearance. So we select it and then right click appearance. It will pop up right here. So suppose I want to make it gold, so I will go to the metals and I will choose gold. So there's only one option in gold, and drag and drop. Great. So now we'll go to the home view, and as you can see, we're done with our modification on the cover, and now we want to view it without the grid. So what we're going to do basically is we go to the word design up there. We will choose render and wait for it. Lovely. As you can see here, you can view your design without the grid. It's a better display if you want to see it in sort of like more detailed, more realistic way, so you can choose the orbit to see it or view it from different points. And that was our tutorial. Thank you.